Hello, editing me popping in really quick. I just want to apologize for the first little bit. I'm a little nervous, a little off while filming. That's how I normally am when I haven't filmed for a long time. So, here's a proper introduction. Hi, welcome to the channel. My name's Shona, and yeah, let's get into it now.
Well, today we're doing a get ready with me, like a glam, because honestly, when I wake up in the day, I do not do a full face of makeup. I'm not getting up early to do a full face of makeup. That's not my cup of tea. But since we're all pretty much on quarantine at this point, I thought, why not? Let's do some filming. We're only like 4 or 5 days into it, and I'm missing school already. We'll talk more about that as I'm getting ready. I'm not leaving the house, don't worry. That's not my plan. That's not what I want to do. I don't know, I just want to put on makeup and just sit and talk and just hang out. Let's just jump right into it. As I'm going along, I'm going to be saying what each product is. So to start off as the primer, I'm using the Urban Decay De-Slick primer. I have combination skin and it really sucks because it leans more on the oily side. I will say with this product, you have to be really careful how you apply it. I'm not a master at applying this at all.
Yeah, you're about to find out that I'm not a pro at this at all. You'll understand in a few seconds.
But definitely do a little bit and just don't rub it into your skin, or else if you have combination skin like me, your dry bits are going to love you for that.
Give it a few more seconds, trust me.
Also, oh my god, ew. I hate myself. It just came out with a dry bit. Nasty. So, I've been vibing these last few days. I mean that in a joking way. I never thought I would ever say that I miss school. This product doesn't really work. Okay, cool. I can't even tell if that worked or not. Maybe a little more question mark? Oh, God. Oh, that just dried all my skin out. You could literally hear this. ASMR time. Let's go. Okay, okay, so that primer sucks. I'm going to be throwing it out. The moisturizer I'm slapping on my face is a clean and clear morning one. Nothing too bougie in this house. Oh, yeah, sorry. The foundation I'm going in with, this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Long Wear Liquid Foundation. I actually really like this foundation. I don't know if that's the right color. Oh my god, how do beauty gurus do this where they keep their hair down? I literally can't. I don't know when I'm editing this if everything I'm saying is actually going to come together or not, because I feel like I'm taking so many breaks to think about what I'm going to say and okay, that's not bad. I'll take it. How is everybody doing with this quarantine stuff? All of my classes got moved online, and I hate it so far, because so far we've already had few issues in the sense of a lot of kids are not showing up for the courses, which that's not my problem, but also a lot of our teachers not really communicating as well. She posted a bunch of stuff on this website we use for assignments, and then just didn't tell anyone. Why wouldn't you tell your students so they could do the assignment and get ready for a project that we're supposed to do, even though, you know what, we're not there. This is really orange compared to my neck.
I mean, it's actually not that bad. It's not as bad as I thought. Oh my god.
Oh, actually, I have a question. Can someone recommend either a foundation or a concealer that doesn't crease in your smile lines? These ones here, oh man. Speaking of concealer, we're gonna go in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Erase Dark Circles Concealer. This is definitely way lighter. I'll take it, I guess. Let's do like what all the beauty gurus do. Oh, that's hard. I always feel like with beauty blenders, I'm just like punching myself in the face. I mean, like tea. I'm totally fine with. What next? Oh, let's do some baking, y'all. Which I'm actually really tempted to do a baking video for the channel. I think it'd be so much fun. I don't mean like baking, but I mean like baking. You know what I mean? So now I'm just going in with the mini Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder and just setting this bitch to filth because oof, I don't understand why people are so into like dewy skin, because like it just looks like your skin's really, really oily to me. Like, I'm not saying it's bad. If you like it, cool, go off, but like, why would you want to look oily? I guess it's more natural looking than looking matte as but like, as someone who has oily skin, especially right here, is this what they do? I feel like I look like I'm on drugs. It's okay, I'm setting my whole face with this afterwards, so how am I gonna do this? I forget how to do this. I'm just gonna dip. Oh my god, guys, clearly I've forgotten how to do a full face makeup. I guess just slap. Oh!
You're a fucking idiot.
What the f***? What the actual Oh my god, okay. We like suffering, I guess. So I'm going in with a controversial product. We're doing my contour. Here's the thing. Either way, both of these are controversial in their own ways. We could go in with Kat Von Whooping Cough Shade and Light palette, or we can go in with our shade range is really awful and we only made one bronzer for a really long time. Benefit. Let's not go in with Kat Von Whooping Cough. Let's do Benefit, I guess. How do you do bronzer? Do you just like swipe up? Because I heard a thing where it's like if you swipe down, your face looks more like, you know, like, is that how? Is that? Now I know what they mean by it looks. Damn, Miss Ma. See this? That's not highlight. That's my nasty ass face. See, this is what I mean. Guys, why do you want the dewy look? I have it every day and it's not fun. I haven't done a full face in so long. I think the last time I did was grad. Insert grad photo here. I think that's the last time I did. So this blush is a CoverGirl blush in shade Rose Silk 105. Where's the pigment? Is it there? Oh, it's kind of showing up. This one's got like some sparkle in it, so like now my whole cheek is just gonna look really sparkly and oily. Yeah, this is more of a highlight than anything. I hate when highlight goes all the way down on. Sorry, I looked in the viewfinder. I can't tell that's my oily face or this blush. Okay, go off CoverGirl. I'm gonna give some color right around my nose. Oh, that's a cute highlight. Okay, I'll take that on the nose. I look like an e-girl, which if you want me to do a video where I turn myself into an e-girl, let me know, because I'm always down for that. I think that'd be so much fun. This is the Urban Decay Space Powder. Shimmering powder for face and body. So this is just like a highlight. It's so pretty. I saw no one, literally no one, talk about this product. And I love this so much. It's really like, it reminds me of Fenty. I know. Controversial that I'm comparing the two. But like, it reminds me of Fenty in the sense of when you put it on, it's so just pretty. So we've sort of switched to my phone camera. I didn't know I was going to be vlogging today. This is how the face is looking so far. I actually really enjoy it. I'm gonna keep on going. I'm sorry that this has to be cut so short. I guess they have to go out and get a new chip, SD card. But like, look at this highlight, y'all. Okay, I'm kind of into the shimmer blush. Okay, and now I get it. I get why people do the dewy look and that kind of stuff. So this is the final makeup look. I think it turned out way nicer than I thought it was going to, because the way that it was first going, I was like, yeah, we need to stop this right now. But actually it turned out really good, and I'm actually really surprised. Wow, look at that. I'm actually really liking that blush. I was shitting on people for like dewy skin, and then look at me, I'm like a glowing goddess. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and also to turn on post notifications, because you'll get a notification each time I upload a new video here on the channel, which I'm just starting out, so you might want to put on those notifications. So with all that being said, I hope you guys have a great day and make the best out of being all quarantined up. I know it's going to be hard. You're going to want to go outside. You're going to want to hang out with friends and do all this stuff, but just do what's best for you and for the people around you. So please be safe. Take care of yourself. Hand sanitize. Wash your hands. Do everything. And with that all being said, I will see you all in the next video. I love you guys, and yeah, bye!